Hi everyone, welcome back to another course video. Today I will teach you how to create strings with special characters. Today it will be a fun video because you will learn the cool features of strings. Today you will know why strings are important and amazing. In the next video you will be learning how to select individual/specific characters of a string. Now without wasting any much time, let's get started. Some strings include special characters. These characters are different from the alphanumeric and punctuation characters that you are used to using. A common need when working with strings, even strings from simple console applications, is control characters. With this in mind, Python provides escape sequences that you can use to define control characters directly and a special escape sequence for other characters. The best way to see how the escape sequences work is to try them. I wrote this code and ran it. I want to break the text from this point, meaning I want this text to appear on the next line. To achieve this, we can say something like this. Just copy me, and now we will run the code again, and as you see we get the desired results. You can use this code anywhere in this statement, so I can even use it over here, depends on you. I will show you some more example. We can say something like this. This is an A with a grave accent, and the code is \x capital C 0. Now let's run the code, and as you see we get a with an accent. Another thing we can do is print this is a drawing character. The code is /u2562. Then print this is a pilcrow. The code is 266. Then lastly print this is a division sign. The code is /x capital F7. Now let's run the code. As you see we get the expected outcome. In conclusion, the example code uses various techniques to achieve the same end, to create a special character. Of course, you use control characters directly as shown in the first line. Many special letters are accessible by using a hexadecimal number that has 2 digits, as in the second and fifth lines. However, some require that you rely on Unicode numbers, which always requires 4 digits, as shown in the third line. Octal values use 3 digits and have no special character associated with them, as shown in the fourth line. And one more thing, we will learn more escape codes as we progress through the course.